West Side girl going to an East Side bar. West Side girl going to an East Side bar. Well, no damn good can we come of this. Those West Side lips and an East Side kiss. West Side girl going to an East Side bar. Well, tonight it's gonna all hang out. Someone's in without a doubt. When a West Side girl's going to an East Side bar. Buckshot Bob, sugar baby on the prowl. Buckshot Bob, sugar baby on the prowl. The music's playing loud as hell. Her motivation is hard to tell. Buckshot Bob, sugar baby on the prowl. Scooter D's getting cruder by the hour. Scooter D's getting cruder by the hour. It's a flannel toting East Side hippies are staring and winking at the West Side chick. Scooter's getting cruder by the hour. Well, tonight it's gonna all hang out. Someone's in without a doubt. When a West Side girl's going to an East Side bar. Buckshot Bob, he's sick of sipping on his bud. Buckshot Bob, he's sick of sipping on his bud. He's standing up to make his play. Now Scooter gets in Bobby's way. Buckshot Bobby reaches for his empty bud. And now we smash that bottle on the bar as Scooter grabs the pickle jar and chucks it right at Bobby's fuming face. Well, he misses by a mile or two, and the barkeep grabs his 22, and a Bobby and a Scooter went a running from that place. I sat my ass down beside the West Side girl. Sat my ass down beside the West Side girl. I said, well, this is Bill, crazy now, well, baby, won't you come home with me tonight? Now that West Side girl gonna rock my East Side world. Now I got a West Side girl gonna rock my East Side